Pakistan and China are marking 75 years of diplomatic relations this year. Over those 7 decades, the relationship has evolved far beyond symbolic diplomacy. China is now Pakistan's largest trading partner, one of its biggest lenders, and its closest strategic partner. Bilateral trade now exceeds $20 billion annually, while tens of billions of dollars have flowed into infrastructure, energy, and connectivity projects. So rather than asking whether Pakistan and China are close allies, a better question might be this: why have both countries become so important to each other? The answer lies at the intersection of geography, security, and economics. Let's start with why Pakistan matters to China. For Beijing, geography is one of the biggest reasons. Nearly 60% of Chinese imported crude oil passes through the Strait of Malacca, a narrow stripping corridor between Malaysia and Indonesia that carries roughly a quarter of global maritime trade. For China, that creates a strategic vulnerability. Pakistan offers an alternative route through the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, or CPEC, linking China's western Xinjiang region to Gwadar on Pakistan's Arabian Sea coast. The logic for Beijing is straightforward: reduce dependence on congested maritime routes and gain greater access to the Indian Ocean. Then there's regional security and the India factor. Relations between China and India have remained tense after years of border disputes and deadly clashes, including confrontations in 2020. Pakistan and China moved closer after the 1962 Sino-Indian War, and over time that evolved into one of Asia's deepest defense partnerships. Today, the two countries jointly produce the JF-17 fighter jet, conduct regular military exercises, and cooperate on missile systems, defense technology, and security coordination. Pakistan also provides Beijing with diplomatic support. Islamabad has consistently backed China on issues including Xinjiang, Hong Kong, and the One China policy. In return, Beijing has repeatedly supported Pakistan on Kashmir and used its influence in international institutions on issues important to Islamabad. Analysts often describe it as a relationship built on mutual strategic backing. Then there is the economic dimension. Trade between the two countries grew from around $1.3 billion in 2002 to more than $20 billion in recent years, making China Pakistan's largest trading partner. The biggest shift came with CPEC. When the project was announced in 2015, agreements worth around $46 billion were unveiled. Since then, roughly $25 to $26 billion in investments have gone into energy and infrastructure projects. Those projects have added more than 8,000 megawatts of electricity to Pakistan's grid, helped build nearly 1,400 kilometers of roads and highways, laid around 820 kilometers of optical fiber cable, and generated an estimated 200,000 to 260,000 direct and indirect jobs. But the relationship is not without criticism. Pakistan imports far more from China than it exports, creating a significant trade imbalance. China has also become one of Pakistan's largest bilateral creditors, raising concerns about long-term debt exposure and economic dependence. Still, from Beijing's perspective, Pakistan offers something difficult to replace: a strategic partner sitting at the crossroads of South Asia, Central Asia, and the Arabian Sea. Now let's turn the question around. Why is China so important to Pakistan? For Islamabad, China increasingly touches almost every major pillar of international policy. Start with security. Pakistan's military relationship with China deepened during the Cold War and expanded further after conflicts with India in 1965 and 1971. Today, China supplies roughly 80% of Pakistan's major weapons imports, according to recent defense estimates. That includes fighter aircraft, naval platforms, air defense systems, and military technology. For Pakistan, China serves as an important strategic counterweight in a region where India has developed stronger partnerships with countries like the United States, Japan, and several European states. Then comes diplomacy. China has repeatedly supported Pakistan in international forums and often provided political space during periods of regional pressure, including by blocking or diluting India-driven initiatives on Kashmir and terrorism-related censure. But perhaps the most visible impact has been economic. China is not just Pakistan's largest trading partner, it has also repeatedly acted as an economic lifeline. During Pakistan's balance of payments crises, including in 2018 and again in 2022 and 2023, Beijing provided loans, currency swaps, and debt rollovers that helped ease pressure on foreign exchange reserves. Supporters see that as China helping stabilize Pakistan's economy. Critics argue that it has also increased Islamabad's dependence on Chinese financing. That debate continues. But viewed more broadly, the relationship today is not defined by a single project or a single issue. For China, Pakistan is a strategic gateway. For Pakistan, China has become a source of security support, diplomatic backing, and economic breathing room. And that helps explain why, 75 years after diplomatic ties began, the relationship remains one of the most consequential partnerships in Asia.